Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at the IGCSE exam hacks, top 5 secrets to scoring high. Let's begin. The first secret is the power of active recall. Active recall is a learning technique where you actively remember and retrieve information from memory rather than passively reviewing it. It boosts memory retention, improves understanding, and is useful for exam preparation. Implementing active recall for IGCSE exams involves methods like flashcards, self-quizzing, diagrams, and practice exams. Regular practice and self-testing are essential for long-term retention, identifying weak areas and building confidence, and avoiding procrastination in your study routine. Now, if you want to know more about active recall, just put in the comments and I'll make a separate video on it. Alright. Now, the second secret is mastering time management. Very, very, very important. The importance is that time management ensures efficient use of study hours, reduces stress, and maximizes learning. Build your study schedule. Create a schedule with specific study blocks, allocating time for each subject or topic. Have realistic goals. Set achievable goals for each study session to track progress and stay motivated. Focus techniques. Minimize distraction. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method and maintain a dedicated space study. One thing I want you to do is that if you're watching this 3 months before your exams, just delete all your social media. Focus those 3 months on the exam. Just get a break from all those other social life and just focus on your studies. Procrastination is combat procrastination by breaking tasks into smaller steps, setting deadlines, and using positive reinforcement. Efficient time management enhances exam preparation and reduces stress. Indeed. Third secret, utilizing past exam papers. Now this is really, really important. Why? Because using past papers for practice offers benefits like familiarizing yourself with the exam format, identifying the question patterns, and honing time management skill. Honing means to enhance your skills, alright? To make the most of them. The benefits: past paper aid in understanding exam formats, we talked about that. Analysis: review and analyze past papers to spot recurring question patterns, topics emphasized, and your weakness. Now what you can also do is that you can copy all the questions and put it on ChatGPT, let's say for like 2020, 2021 and 2022 papers, and then ask ChatGPT to look at the common, like find you the common questions. ChatGPT is there for you. You guys have to really use ChatGPT and take the best out of it. And there are other websites as well. I'll put the video link in the description for that video, where you can use different websites to increase your IGCSE chances of getting higher grades. Alright. Secret 4: collaborative learning. Now this is really important because studying with peers or in study groups provides several benefits, such as collaborative studying enhances comprehension, motivation, and accountability. Effective collaboration: to make the most of study group, establish clear goals, rotate leadership roles, and actively engage in discussions. Sharing knowledge, sharing insights, resources, and all different perspectives within the group improves overall understanding. Studying with peers fosters a supportive learning environment that promotes collective success. Now, this is something you can try, and when you're doing this, it's important that you do not look at only your benefit. When you're studying together, you have to look at everyone's benefit. It's like, if I pass, everyone passes. If everyone passes, I pass. If everyone fails, I fail. Because when you think that, okay, I have to be better than everyone, if they fail, it's okay. If I pass, I have to pass. That is not something that will get you the A star. You have to think about everyone. Alright. The last but not the least, maintaining a healthy mindset. A positive mindset, stress management, and a balanced lifestyle are essential for success. A positive mindset reduces stress, boosts motivation, and enhances problem-solving abilities. Relaxation and balance. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, maintain a balanced lifestyle, and set boundaries to manage stress efficiently. Physical health, really important. Regular exercise, quality sleep, and a healthy diet improves mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Now it's essential that when you're studying, you have to spend, like during as a student, you must at least spend 1 hour outside playing or doing something that refreshes you. Because if you do all study, it's not really going to help you. That's passively learning. Now you going out and relaxing yourself is part of active learning, which is really important. And one more thing, I think, yeah, that'll be all. Thank you for this video, for watching it. If you have any question, you can comment it or email me. My email is there. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you very much. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Ta-da.